Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add subtitles in Clipchamp. If you've been searching for a way to add auto subtitles to a video, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add subtitles to your video in Clipchamp, first of all, open Clipchamp on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in Clipchamp, create a new project by clicking on the Create a New Video, or open an existing project. If you haven't already uploaded your video, click on the Import Media button to upload your video file from your computer to the Clipchamp video editor. Now, drag and drop your video file from the media library onto the timeline below. On the right side of the editor, you will see various editing options. Click on Captions at the top right of the screen. This will open a screen to automatically add subtitles from your video voice. Click on the Transcribe Media button. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose the language spoken in your video. Select the language spoken in the video. You can also enable an option to filter profanity and offensive language if desired. Lastly, click on the Transcribe Media button. Clipchamp will automatically generate captions based on the audio in your video. The processing time may vary depending on your video length and internet speed. Once the subtitles are generated, you can edit and change the text if needed from the right side. To make further customizations, first click on the text in the video preview screen. A text editor will open on the right side. If it does not appear, click on Text on the right side of the screen. From here, you can change the font family, font style, font size, alignment, color, and more. Now, play the video in the preview window to ensure that the subtitles are correctly timed and displayed. Once you are satisfied with your subtitles, click the Export button at the top right corner of the screen to save and export your video with subtitles.